Learning to ride a motorcycle, yes, that's an art in itself. Let's take a look at the difficulties one faces when trying to learn to ride a bike for the first time. That's me, laughing and trying to learn without any hesitation. I learned from my experience that if the instructor is good, the learner also learns quickly. In my teaching life, I've observed that children learn better with affection than with harsh treatment, so the instructor should be polite and courteous. When I watched this video from October 2025, I realized how precisely the instructor was teaching, and I was also understanding everything in detail. I am grateful to Sameer Sir and Sanjay for motivating me to learn to ride a bike. Come, watch these glimpses yourself. Stay tuned to our travel channel. We will continue to bring you many more such real-life videos. Thank you.